what's up?
Yeah, well, wait a second. Okay, bye.
Hey, what's up?
Come on, you look what time is it? It's so late.
What? Okay, first I want to tell you something. I'm coming earlier here.
What? But second of all, why are you wearing my jacket? You know, it's chill outside.
And did you bring food? Because I'm hungry. Nah. No. Oh my god, I told you, million, zillion, gillion. Debs! Sorry, but I don't have any money. Oh yeah, I say it out loud. Okay, fine. Just don't want to go to sleep. Go. Oh, it's very nice. What's this out?
Never say never.
Oh my god, I can see. Where's the hat? Where is it? Well,
Excuse me, but did you see the food?
no, I didn't know.
Okay.
Still food.
Okay, slow down.
Man, this coat's so close. Hands up, man. Hands up. Man. Hands up, man.
What is this, sir? What?
Shoot at me. Please. I'm really sorry. Not again. I hate these glasses. I mean, sorry. You! Me? Oh, nice glasses. Small. Back to the point. Me?
No, you fool!
You!
Oh my god! Oh my god, I can't stop me. This food.
You're not gonna get it. Finally! Yeah. Smile.
No, you're not. There's no out here. I killed the first cop, and I got a Doritos, and I have a bonus. Value.
Come closer. It's Sorry, man. I can't find this car.
Great, a car!
Okay.
A car, you idiot. That's a helicopter.
Yeah, right!
I'm flying.
What the?
Surrender! Surrender now! You have no choice!
What separates me between the Doritos and me?
I know you wanna get the food.
No one's separates.
I'm flying!
What the?
I'm flying! What the?
It's the thief!